We've got this brass Christmas star that we really like over our headboard, and so we're going to automate this since I can't exactly turn it on and off with a switch. First things first, we need our smartphone with the Smartthings Classic app installed. Next, we're using our IKEA TRÅDFRI wireless control outlet, just a cheap little $10 smart plug, and we are going to be using a paper clip to do a reset on it to be able to pair it to our app, and of course a power strip. The power strip is there because those TRÅDFRI plugs are so big. Let me plug this in for you and show you. Right there you see it overlaps the outlet right above it, so we need multiple outlets. We've applied power, you can tell by the light there. We've launched our Smartthings app. I'm going to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the Things panel. Now we're going to get our paper clip, straighten it out, and you can see there's that hole right there. Just insert the paper clip into that hole and hold it once you push in that dip switch for 5 seconds. 3, 4, 5, pull it out. And now go back to your Smartthings app and tap Add a Thing and wait. It'll search for the device, and right there, the IKEA TRÅDFRI plug. So we're going to go in and we're going to name this. I'm going to type in the name Master Headboard. I'm sorry, I don't type faster on a phone. And then tap Save. And OK. And it's going to think, and there you go. Now it's in my Smartthings. Now that we've got it in Smartthings, I want to bring it into Alexa, and we have to do that from the Alexa app. Tap on the Devices tab at the bottom, the plus sign at the top, which is your Add Devices. Tap Add Devices. Scroll all the way down and tap Other and Detect Devices. Alexa is now searching for the device, and it'll take a few seconds. I think it's like 20-30 seconds, something like that. And here we are, one device discovered. Set up device. Tell it to skip the group. Finish it up, and there we are. Okay, now I just need to plug this into the wall and plug the lamp into it. Alexa, turn on Master Headboard. There you go. That's exactly what I wanted it to do. If you like my videos, remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Feel free to go back into the old catalog by clicking my channel and then clicking on the videos link. There's lots of decent stuff back there you may be interested in. And like I always say to you folks, be busy, be productive, be safe, but most of all, be blessed. I'll talk to you later. Thanks for watching.